Hey, that seems a better lighting than this one, I guess. Let me move back a little bit. Yay! Way better lighting. I think so. Okay. Anyway, so I think I'm going to do like a series of free stuff, because when I came here, I've made a lot of research, and something that really helped me was to get free stuff. And yeah, it's possible to get free stuff. So I'm going to show you how to get. I got free laundry, and sometimes you can get free burgers as well. Or if it's not free, it's like really cheap and half price. But yeah. Also, one of the subscribers asked me to do for engineering faculty. This video is going to come somewhere around Wednesday to Friday, because I'm going to be in that building on Wednesday. So for me to record it and to put it online, it's going to take just a little bit of time. Yeah. So let's start with the obvious one, and the obvious one is actually the Foodlocker. The lighting really bothers me. So as you know, working my muscle. So Georgian Foodlocker. So as you know, it's free and it's anonymous, and you can ask for it. You can make a request every 2 weeks. So let's see. You can get hygienic product as well, and I really love that they have actually scrub bag, and it's F for female because I'm a female. So I'm just going to be real here, so I'm sorry if I'm offending you. Pads, deodorant, conditioner. I personally wash my hair every week. It's on a Sunday, and you can make a request every 2 weeks. So having 2 of these, it's just perfect. A razor, toothpaste, and on top of the conditioner, you have these 3 things. So a shower gel, a conditioner, again, and shampoo. So this is for hygienic product, and this goes like a long way. I've requested one last month, and I still have some. Okay. Oops. Then, what about the food? So firstly, this, and this is not a deodorant, this is actually a hydration lotion. I do have one from the previous bag I used. Shake it, spray it, rub it, and it smells so good. Coming with the food. So I'm a non-vegan, but if you do ask, yeah, I'm non-vegan. So if you do ask for a vegan bag, they ask you, are you vegan or are you not vegan? Do you have any allergies? So you have these two. I agree, people would say it's not the best, but it's very low budget, and it's you can actually eat with that, because it's pasta and it has cheese with it, and you know what? I don't mind it. I'm getting some cheese here. Then I have, this is gravy, so you just mix it with some water and you pour it on chicken. So you can have like chicken with porridge, and you pour it on that. I have oatmeal, and like this can go for like 1 day, and it's very filling. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of it. So I have the regular one, 2 of the regular one. I have apple cinnamon. I've tried the apple cinnamon before, and I used to have the Foodlocker very often because when I came, I was supposed to get a job. For some reason, I didn't got it. I don't want to bore you with why. So I was using this and it actually filled me up, and you can just have this for breakfast, and then you can have like 2 servings for this, and it's like a very cheap way of living. And for this one, it's actually free, so you can get that for free. And then if you need to substitute, because it's just for two, you can't do it after, unless like you do it every 2 weeks. So for 1 week, I think this can fill you up, and then if something's missing, you can buy for like $10 and then reapply, like ask again. But that's not all of it. Popcorn, yep, and then more pasta, but this one is just spaghetti, but it does come with a tomato can. And I know some people don't eat it, so I'm sorry if you don't eat that, but I do. Oh my god. 2 cans of tuna, and guys, this cans of tuna and spaghetti, like, it can fill you up, especially if you're single. It can fill you up like for up to 3 days. That, and then corn, maize. I used to call it maize, but in Canada they call it corn. And then a chocolate bar. But actually it came with 2. I was so hungry and lazy, so I didn't cook. I took 1 bar. But basically that's what you have, and it's free. It's pretty good, right? So use it, enjoy it. I'll see you in the next video. If you want to see anything else or have any suggestion, please leave a comment down below. If you have any faculty specifically that you want to see, leave it down below and I will film it for you. Bear in mind that it's COVID, so it's not as exciting as you would think it would be on campus because there's no one. But it's cool to see what it's like, and anyway, if you want, just let me know.